Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change boot menu display order on Windows 11 or 10 PC. In case you use dual booting operating system such as Windows 11 along with Windows 10, you can change the boot menu display order on your PC. For this, you need to remember one simple command msconfig. Just open the run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key on the keyboard and then here type msconfig. I will provide this one command in this video description also. So if you need, you can copy that. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button. Now in the system configuration window, switch to this one boot tab, and here you can set your default OS, or you can change this one uh, boot menu display order. Suppose you want to make Windows 10 default OS, just select it and then click on this one set as default. Now when you will boot your PC, Windows will directly boot into Windows 10. In case you want to boot directly into Windows 11, just select this one option and then select this one button set as default. This will set Windows 11 as default OS. That means when you will boot your PC, Windows will directly boot into Windows 11 machine. After changing this one options, click on this one apply and then OK button, and Windows will prompt you to restart. Just restart to apply the changes.